Hi, this is Manjunath. Good morning all. First of all, happy Republic Day. So we are in the chapter of trigonometry. So continue the class now. So in that exercise 11.2, first main fifth question. You try it. If not getting, you can comment in the comment box. I'll tell you how to do. You try that one problem. Next is second main. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. So you have to solve this one. Second main. First one. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So they given options sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, sin 60. They are not given the values. They given indirectly. Example, it is cos 60. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So if it is coming answer 1 by 2, then the answer will be cos 60. Like that, you have to choose the option. So this one, 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So as we know, tan 30 is nothing but sin 30 by cos 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 3. 2 into 1 by root 3, because tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Like that, 1 plus tan 30 is 1 by the root 3, whole square is there, so whole square. This will give us 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 square is 1 divided by root 3 square is 3, 1 by 3. So this will be 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3 is nothing but 4 by 3. 4 by 3, because 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3. This equals to 2 by root 3 into 4 into 3. So this 3 will go upside and the root 3 will come downside. So 2 by root 3 into 4, this 3 will go upside, so 2 into 3. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. This will be 3 by 2 root 3. 3 by 2 root 3. So if you can write this one as, because 3 by 2 root 3 formula is not there, like that the given options sin 60. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, but it is not there in the answer. So you can simplify as more. So 3 you can write as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 only, because root 9 value is 3. So root 3 to root 3. So if you cancel root 3, the answer will be root 3 by 2. So if you check the options, first one sin 60 is there. So sin 60 is value is root 3 by 2. So answer will be sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So option will be A, that is sin 60 degree. Like that, second one. Second one, 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. So is equal to cosine 1. So first you find the value, then you can see the options. First you should know the value of tan 45. Tan 45 is nothing but sin 45 by cos 45. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2. That like cos 45 also it is 1 by root 2. So both same means it will become 1. So 1 minus tan 45 is 1. 1 square 1 divided by 1 plus tan 45 is 1. 1 square is 1. So it will be 1 minus 1 square is 0 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. Answer will be 0. So answer will be 0. So if you see the options, if you see the clearly the options, they given tan 90. Tan 90 value is it is undefined, so it will not come. Then 1, it is not, it is 0 is there. So after that sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Next 0 is there. So option 0 is 0 only. So answer will be 0. Like that, third one, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to. So if you put the values, a values, the value should be equal. Sin 2a should be equal to 2 sin A. So we can check for first one 0 degree. So A is equal to 0 degree. So sin into 2A. 2A is nothing but 2 into A. 2 into 0 is 0. Is equal to sin 0. Sin 0 value is 0. Like that 2 sin A. 2 sin A is equal to 2 into sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. So answer will be 0. So sin 2 is equal to 2 sin A. So it is directly coming in the first option. If it is not given first option, so if they given first option as 30 degree, so you can check with that also. A is equal to 30 degree. A is equal to 30 degree. So sin 2 into A. A is 30 means sin 2 into 30 is 60. 60. Sin 60. Sin 60 value is 1 by root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. So what they given here 2 sin A. If we check for 2 sin A, 2 into sin of A's value is 30, 2 sin 30. But 2 into sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So answer will be 1. So sin 2A value is root 3 by 2, but 2 sin A value is 1. So they are not equal. So for the value of A, 30 degree it is not equal. So for value of A, both are coming same answer. So 2 sin A is equal to sin 2A. You can check it for others also. Only I showed the example how if it is 0 and other than the option of 0. Next one. Two tan 30 degree. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. They given in the options in terms of cos, sin, so cos, sin, tan, sin like that. So first you have to calculate the value, then you have to see the which value is coming in the that trigonometric ratio. So 2 tan 30. So what I told tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan 30. 1 minus tan 30 is 1 divided by root 3 whole square. So 2 is equal to 2 by root 3, 1 minus, it will be 1 square divided by root 3 square. So 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So it will become 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. When there is the question like any terms, it is one fraction means only you have to subtract from the denominator to the numerator. So 3 minus 1 is 2. LCM will be 3. So you can take only from this value you can do the simplification. Now means anything that is 1 minus means 1 minus 2 by 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 by 3. So 1 minus 2 by 3 is value 1 by 3. Like that 1 minus 1 by 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Again 3. So 2 by 3. Then these two will cancel. It will be 3 by 3 will go upside, root 3 will come downside. So 3 by root 3. So in this see 3 by root 3 we don't have any of the in the table. So we can again we can simplify it root 3 by root 3. So because root 3 into root 3 is 2 root 9. Root 9 is value nothing but 3. So 3 by root 3 we can write root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. 1 root 3 will be cancelled. So root 3 we can search in the table. It will come tan 60. Tan 60 because tan 60 is sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Like that cos 60 is 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 is nothing but root 3. So it will be tan 60. So option is C, tan 60 degree. And that third one, tan of A plus B, tan of A plus B is equal to root 3. Tan of A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. So the value of A plus B is less than the 90 degree and greater than the 0 degree. In that the condition is A is greater than B. So A will be first only because A is greater than B means A only it will come first. Which is greater that will come first only in difference. So A is A minus B. Find A and B. So we have to find the value of A and B. So like this one example I did in the last class, that is example number 8. In the example number 8 they given like this only, but they given in the terms of sine. This is in terms of tan. So like that, tan of A plus B is equal to root 3. As we know, now only we are here root 3. Root 3 is nothing but tan 60. So A plus B will be 60. Why 60 means? Because tan of 60 is root 3. Tan of 60 is root 3. The value given in the tan of is 3. Root 3 is, so the A plus will be 60. Like that, A minus B. As you know, A minus B is equal to tan of what will be 1 by root 3? Tan of 30 will be 1 by root 3. So tan 30. So it will be 30 degree. So we got two angles, that is A plus B in terms of 60, A minus B in the terms of 30. So if you add to both these, you will get 2A. A plus A is 2A plus B minus B get cancelled. 60 plus 30 is 90. So it will give A is equal to 45 degree. Like that, if you put one any value of 40, so in the first or second equation, you will get the B value. 60 minus 45, so it will be 15 degree. So the value of A and B is 45 degree and 15 degree. Only you have to substitute the A plus B and A plus minus B in terms of what is that coming in the trigonometric ratio of that value. So root 3 value is tan 60, 1 by root 3 value is tan 30. So this will be A plus B is 60, A minus B is equal to 30. Like that, so if you add this one, A plus A to A, then B plus B minus B get cancelled, 90. Remaining is A is equal to 45. If you put any value in this, B is 45, it will come this side. 60 minus 45, 15. So B value will be 15. So 45 plus 15 is 60. 45 minus 15 is 30. So A plus B, A minus B is required. Next main, it is state whether the following are true or false, justify your answer. So you have to solve the answers also. If you know, only by saying true or false, we should conclude the conclusion why it is false or why it is true. So first one, in that fourth one, in that first one, sine of A plus B, sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. So sine A of B is equal to sine A plus sine B. It is true or false? Actually, the formula for the sine A plus B is sine of A plus B is, it is sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. Actually, this formula will come in the next chapter. It is sine of A plus B, cos of A plus B, like that. So sine of A plus B is nothing but sine A into cos B. Reverse of that, cos A into sine B. So this is the formula. But the given sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. So it is false. The answer is false. If you take one example, if you take A plus B is equal to 60 degree, for this only, A plus B is equal to 60 degree. So sine of A plus B is equal to 60 means A plus B is 60. So A plus B is equal to 60 means sine 60 will be root 3 by 2. So if we take on A plus B is equal to 60. So A plus B 50 means if we take A is equal to A plus B is equal to 60 means sine of A plus B. What? So you take, instead of 60, you can take 90 only. This is 90. So sine 90 will be value is 1. So sine 90 is 1. So sine of A plus B. A plus B is equal to 90 means sin 90 is equal to 1. So like that, if you take A as 60 and B as 30, so if you to prove this one, sin A plus sin B, sin A plus sin B, put the values, sin A value is 60, and that sin B, sin is 30. So it should come, value should come 1 because sin A plus B is 1. So it should, sin A plus sin should be also 1. Then only it is true. So if you, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2. So it will be root 3 plus 1 by 2. So root 3 plus 1 by 2 is not equal to 1. So the value of this sin A plus is called sin A plus sin B is wrong. So the correct formula for that is sin A into cos B, cos A into sin B. If you want, you can check the values. You can put sin 60. So it will be root 3 by 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So it will become 3 by 2 plus cos A. Cos A is nothing but cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. Like that, sin B is root 3 by 2. So it will become root 3 by 4. Like that, root 3 by 4 and root 3 by 5, it will become sin 90, what we have? 1. So the answer will get only 90 only when you put A is equal to 60 and B is equal to 30 in this equation. So sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. Second one. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. This is true. Why means this is true only. Why means suggestive answer means the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. So if you take sin 0, it is 0. If you take sin 30, it will be 1 by 2. So increasing, no? First it was 0, then it is 1 by 2. If you take last angle, sin 90 is 1. So it is increasing by 0 to 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, because sin 45 is 1 by root 2, like that sin 60 is root 3 by 2, that sin 90 is equal to 1. So it is, as theta increases, the value of the sin of 0, that will be increased, sin of 30, that will be increased by 0 to 1. So theta increases means the value of sin theta will be increased. So it is right. Like that, third one. The value of sin theta cos theta increases as theta increases. Value of cos theta increases as theta increases. This is false. Why means the value of cos theta, see cos 0, if you take theta as 0, so cos 0 is 1, cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, like that cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So if you see the cos of 0, theta is 0 means 1, theta of 30, it is increased, but the value is decreased. So again you increase the value of theta 45 degrees, it will become 1 by root 2. So the value of cos theta will be decreased as theta increases. So the reverse of that is sin. Sin will be increased by as theta increases, but cos decreases by increasing the theta of the value. So it will be false. This is false. See next problem, sin theta is equal to cos theta. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. For all values of theta. So you have to prove that sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta, but it is wrong because see, sin 0 you take, cos 0 you take. So sin 0 is 1, but cos 0 is 0. So it is for values of theta, sin 1 is sin 0 is 1, cos 0 is 0. So it will be different. Cos 0 is equal to 1, sin 0 is equal to 0. So 0 is not equal to 1. So sin theta is not equal to cos theta. So for one angle it is same. That is sin 45 degree is equal to cos 45 degree. As you see in the table, if you see the sin 45 and cos 45, that is the values are 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. So for the value of theta only 45, it is same, but it is different for different angles. If it is 0, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So it is not equal. So for value of theta only the value is same is that sin 45 degree, that is sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So it is false. Like that fifth one. Cot A is not defined for A is equal to 90 degree. Cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. Cot A is not defined for A is equal to S. It is true. Why means if we know the value of tan 0, because A is given 0, so tan A is tan 0 is equal to 0, but cot 0 is 1 by tan 0. So 1 by tan is nothing but 1 by 0. So the value of 0 by 1 is 1, but 0 by 1 is 0, but the value of 1 by 0 is, it is not defined or infinity. So 1 by 0 is nothing but infinity or not defined. So it is true. Then next topic. The next topic is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. What is the next topic? The trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. So first you should know the meaning of complementary. So trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. So if you take the right angle A, this is B. So which is right angle? This one. So B is at the right angle. So B value is 90 degree. So this is A and this is C. So trigonometric ratios of complementary angles is nothing but, the complementary angles is nothing but the sum of the two angles should be 90 degree. So this is 90. So this two remaining is second angles and these two values 90 below. So total triangle will be 180. So as you see in this plus this is equal to 90 degree. So A plus C is equal to 90 degree. Why means it is 90 degree. In that A and C will be 90 degree. So complementary angles means the sum of the two angles should be 95. Whatever may be value. If you take 45 plus 45, that is also 90. If not 30 plus 60. 30 plus 60 is equal to 90, or 60 plus 30, that is also 90. So for that values we call that as a complementary angles. So in that 6 relations we get. How means, if you take this one, when will I give sin A, if you take this angle, it will be adjacent, this will be hypotenuse, this will be opposite. So for the angle A, this is adjacent and this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So sin A is going to be, we know that opposite by hypotenuse. So sin A opposite, this is BC divided by AC. Now that you can take cos A adjacent by hypotenuse. So AB by AB by hypotenuse is nothing but AC. So because cos of values in it is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So we have taken the value in the terms of A. If you take the values of C, so here see A plus C is 90. So we can write C in terms of A means 90 degree minus A. Yes, now because A plus C is 90, we can write C in terms of angle A means C is equal to, this will come this side, so 90 degree minus A. So the value of angle C is 90 degree minus A. So for this we can write these trigonometry results. So if you take sine of 90 degree minus A, what will it become? Sine of 90 degree minus A. So this is 90 degree minus A. This is 90 degree minus A. So for this one, this will be adjacent. Hypotenuse this only, but opposite this one. So if you take this sine means opposite by hypotenuse. So it will be AB by AC. Again in terms of cos 90 degree minus A. So cos 90 degree minus A means this angle. So cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So if you clearly observe this one, sin A is BC by AC, but sin of 90 degree minus is AB by AC. So this will be equal to this one and this will be equal to this one. So we can write like that, sin 90 degree minus A is equal to, sin 90 degree minus A is equal to, this will be cos A. If you write cos 90 degree minus A, cos 90 degree minus A, it is BC by C. BC by C is nothing but sin A. Sin A. So what I have proved means this one A plus B C. Why this is 90 means it is complementary angles. In that complementary angles, first I have taken the value of values trigonometric ratios in terms of sin and cos A value. So if you take A, this is adjacent, this is opposite, and this is hypotenuse. But if you take this one angle, say C, we can get 90 degree minus A. So this is 90 degree minus A. 90 degree minus A. For this it will be adjacent this one, opposite and hypotenuse. So I have taken only two examples, sin and cos. Sin I have taken BC by AC, cos AB by BC. Like that, this angle is 90 degree minus. So if you can write sin of 90 minus any angle A, at any angle A is AB by AC or cos A. Like that, cos 90 degree minus A, that will be reverse of cos is sin. So sin A. So like this, six trigonometries we will get, that is for cot of 90 degree minus A. They given in the textbook that clearly how it will come. So I taken two only. There are six. We can refer that one and we can understand. By if I told these two types, then you will understand that the four types also. Cot of 90 degree minus A is equal to tan A, because cot of 90 will be reverse of tan. So tan A. Like that, tan 90 degree minus A, the value will be cot A. So like that, sec 90 degree minus A, so sec will be in reverse of cosec A. Like that, in the cosec 90 degree minus A, 90 degree minus A, it will be sec A. These are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So for the value of C, I have found out this one. So for C is nothing but 90 degree minus A. So in terms of 90 degree minus A, the sign will become cos. For cos 90 it will become sin. For cot it will become tan. This is tan. So for tan it will become cot. Tan 90 degree minus A is, it will become cot. The cot 90 minus A will become tan 90 degree minus A will become cot. So like that, sec 90 degree minus A is equal to cosec A. Like that, cosec 90 degree minus A is equal to sec A. So these are the six formulas. On these formulas, we have to do the next exercise. So before that, they given some three examples. So first example is, first example they given, example number 9. tan 65 degree divided by cot 25 degree. So you have to find the value of tan 65 degree cot 25 degree. So it is based on this problem I told. How it is this only means, check this 65 and 25. The value is 90. So 90 is nothing but complementary angles. So in terms of if you take this one A, this one B, A is equal to 65, B is equal to 25. So the sum of these two angles is 90. So for 90, if you take tan 65, it is tan 65 only. If you take cot 25, we can write cot 25 as cot of 90 minus 65. Why means 90 minus 65 is 25, cot 25. So cot of 90 minus 65. Why I taken 90 minus 65 means it is terms of cot we have proved now only, that is cot of 90 minus A. Cot of 90 minus A is nothing but tan of A. So tan of A means A is 65, tan 65. So answer will be tan 65. Cot 25 is also tan 65. So answer will be 1. So only you have to change the trigonometric ratio value. So it is sin means cos means sin. Here cot is there, so cot will be tan. So you have to write in the 90. When there is a 90 degree, then only it is possible to write cot in terms of tan. We can't write this one cot if it is cot 25. We can't write, because if we write 90 minus 65 only, then only we can change the cot to tan. Like that, example 10. Example number 10. If sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degree, sin 3a is equal to cos of a minus 26 degree, where 3a is acute angle, 3a acute angle, find the value of A. So you have to find the value of A. So what they given? Sin 3a is equal to cos of A minus 26 degree. So in that 3a is acute angle. So if you know this one, sin, if you take in terms of sin 90 degree minus A, it will become cos A. So like that, I want to make the same side. This is sin is there, this is cos is there. So one term I have to make it in cos or sin. So sin 3a we can write as if we take this one whole term as one term 3a, so it will be sin A. So sin A is cos of 90 degree minus A. So cos of 90 minus, here is A is there, but I have taken the whole term A as 3a. So it will be 3a. So we can write sin in terms of cos only in terms of 90 minus that A. A is nothing but here 3a. So here A is A and that. Here I am considering 3a as only one term, that is A. So 90 cos of 90 minus A is equal to sin of 3. So if you put this one in the first equation, sin 3 is nothing but cos of 90 minus 3a is equal to cos of A minus 26. So you equate the cos of some angle and cos of some angle. But I told these two, 3a is also acute angle. So this is also acute angle. So both are acute angle means we can write this one as 90 minus 3a is equal to A minus 26, because both these are considering cos only and the value of these two angles is acute angle. So I equated the 90 degree minus 3 is equal to A minus 26. So if sin this one 3 is equal to this way, it will become 4a, because a plus 3 is 4a. This, if you sin this one this 2, 90 minus 26, it will become 90 plus 26. So 116. So A is equal to 116 by 4. It is 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 3 remaining 6, so 36, 29. So the value of A is 29. Only have to convert this sign into in terms of cos. Then cos this one will become cos only. Cos 90 in terms of this is cos, because 93 minus nothing but this is also acute angle. A minus 26, it is also acute angle. So cos of A minus 26. And there is 11 problem. So 11th one, example 11. What is the given? Example 11. Express cot 85 degree plus cot 75 cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. So you have to take the values that is 0 degree to 45 degree only. So cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree. So you have to write in terms of angles between 0 and 45. So if you clearly observe this one, cot and tan. So we can write this cot 85 in terms of I am converting 90 only. Why 90 means it is complementary angles. So these problems are based on the complementary angles. So I will take this one 90 minus 5. 90 degree minus 5. So 90 degree minus 5 is nothing but 85 degree. It is also cot 85 degree plus cos in terms of 90. So 90 degree minus 15 degree. So if you see this one, cot 90 degree minus 5 degree is cot 85 degree. Whether cos I am counting in terms of 90, so cos 90 minus 15 is cos 75. So cot 90 minus theta means it is tan of A. So tan 5 degree plus cos of 90 degree minus A means cos of 90 minus A is sin A. So sin 15 degree. So answer will be tan 5 plus sin 15 degree. So these values are they told it should be equal to between 0 to 45. This is 5, 0 greater than 0 and 40 it is lesser than 45. So 0 to 45. So answer is tan 5 degree plus sin 15 degree. Only in this chapter we have to first add the formulas. In that, if you take 11.3 exercise, so say 11.3, in that first problem, there are 4 problems. It is based on this complementary angles only. Sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. So they are asking you to find out the value of sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. So if you clearly observe this one, we are talking about complementary angles. So 18 plus 72, so 90. So for the angles of 90 degree, the it is complementary. So for complementary, we can change in the terms of sin in cos, cos in sin. So sin I will write as sin 90 minus 72. So if you see sin of 90 minus 72, so 90 minus 72 is nothing but 18. So is divided by cos 72. Only one value you have to change, then only the answer will come. So sin of 93 minus 72. So sin of 93 is nothing but it will be reverse. That will be cos of 72 divided by this is also cos of 72. So answer will be 1. This will cancel. So the answer will be cos 72 divided by is equal to 1. Cos 72 by divided by over 72. So if you tell that I will change this one, you can do it. Cos 72 is there. So cos of 90 minus 18. Cos of 90 minus 18 is 72. So upside it will be sin 18 only. So downward side will become sin 18. So sin 18 plus sin 18 is nothing but 1. So it is same. Second one. In that second one, tan 26 divided by cot 64. The second problem is it is tan 26 degree and cot 64 degree. So if we first you should know the angles of the is sum will be 90 or not. So 64 plus 26 90. So it is applicable for trigonometric ratios in terms of complementary angles. So one value you can change it. So tan is there. So I will change upside only tan of 90 minus 64 divided by cot of 64. So tan 90 minus 64 is 26 only. So you can write in terms of 90. So tan 90 is value is cot 64 divided by cot 64. This is always 1 because cot 64 divided by cot 64 is equal to 1. For you can do another way also. That one tan 26 you keep as it is. If you change this one, it will become cot of 90 minus 26. This will become cot of 90 minus 26 is nothing but tan 26. So tan 26 by tan 26 and the value is 1 only. So like that we can do. And the third one. Cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. So only the thing we have to do in this is we have to check only the values of the two angles is 90 or not. So 48 degree plus 44 degree, so it is 90. So we can apply the 90 degree rule for this one. So only have to one we have to change. Among two we have to change only one. Cos 90 minus 42. So I written cos value in terms of 90. So 90 minus 42 is 40. So cos 45 minus sin 42. So in terms of cos 90 minus theta will be changed to sin. So sin 42. Sin 42 minus sin 42 is nothing but 0. The answer will be 0. Fourth one, cosec 31 minus sec 59. So 4 problems they given first in sine, then cos, then in terms of tan also, tan become cot will become tan. So the remaining is cosec. So they given all the 6 formulas in 3 problems. So if we convert this one, cosec of 31 I will keep as it is. I will change second one because I changed the first one, no. So I am changing now second one. So sec 59. Sec 59 we can write as sec 90 minus 31. So sec 90 minus 31 is 59. So 90 minus 31 sec 59. So it is sec 15. Both are same. Okay. Like that cosec 31. Cosec 31 andre it is cosec 31 I will keep as it is. So I will keep the value of cos 31 as cosec 31 only. This is sec of 91. So this will be cosec of 31 minus sec of 90 minus 31 is nothing but sec of 90 minus theta is cosec. So cosec of theta is 31. So it will be 0. Cosec 31 minus cosec 31 is equal to 0. So only you have to see the value of two angles is 90 degree or not. Then you have to change the tan to any one value you have to change. Tan or cot or tan. That like that. In that second main, tan of 48 degree, tan of 23 degree into tan of 42 degree into tan of 67 degree is equal to 1. So show that. So that means you have to prove that. What is tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree is equal to 1. So the answer should become 1. So how can we do means, I told tan is there, so you convert into one term. So tan, we can write this one tan 48 as 90 minus 42. So 90 minus 45, 42 is nothing but 48. So tan 48. So like that, tan 23 we can change it as tan of 90 minus 67. So 90 minus 67 is 23. So tan 23. Like that, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree. So this is into this is tan 90 minus 42, it is nothing but 48. This is also converted 90 minus 23, so 90 minus 67. So I converted 2 because these are 4 are there. So I will convert 2 and I will, under 2 I will keep as it is because the value will become same only. See, tan of 90, so tan of 90 is quad, so quad 42. So like that, tan of 67, it will be cot of 67 because tan of 90 will become cot. So like that, This is into tan 42 into tan 67. So as I told first only, the reverse of tan is cot. So if you take tan 42 value, tan 42 is nothing but in terms of cot it will become 1 by tan 42. So cot we can write as 1 by tan 42. This tan 42 and this tan 42 will be cancelled. So it will remain 1. Like that, cot also, cot 67 I will write 1 by tan 67. So 1 by tan 61 and this is 10. So in terms only tan, you have to remember that one means tan into a into cot a, it will be always 1. So cot 42 into tan 42 is 1. Like that, cot 67 into tan 67 is equal to 1. So cot a into tan is equal to always 1. So they have to prove that 1. The answer will be 1. So tan a into cot a is equal to 1, because like that sin into cosec a is equal to 1. Like that cos into sec a is equal to 1. Why means because sec is the reverse of cos, so it will be 1 by cos. So it will downside cos and upside cos it will be cancelled. So for this one, tan it is reverse is cot. So cot into tan is 1, sin into cosec is 1, and cos into sec is 1. Only when it is 1 means the value of a should be same, tan a into cot a or sin a into cosec a. Like that, when you will get the value 1 only. Like that, same only what I given here, this one, okay, sin 18 by cos this one, and cosec, then tan 48 degree. Like that, if you try this one, so like that, second question also is there, cot 38 degree minus cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree minus into sin 52 degree is equal to 0. So only one value I have to change, because in cos 30 is there, so it in terms of you have to write in sin, so you convert this one, then you convert sin in terms of cos, so it will be two sides also same, sin or cos sin, so the value should become 0. So you try this one as same only you have to change the one value, either cot or cos or sin, no cot, cos or sin, or sin or cos, you will get the answer. So for today this is enough. So you will come across only the complementary and the trigonometric ratios, and say true or false. So in true or false means we have to justify the answer why it is true or why it is false. So I cover this one this much. So please go through it. Thank you.